In this video, I'm going to show you how to use promo code in 1xBet in Nepal. So it will be simple to do. Well, firstly, you will come and click on registration. Now you will come and click on the option by email, which will be the registration or full inscription, by putting all your information here. And firstly, by coming and change here your code of country. So you will put Nepal for this operation, and you will validate now the Nepal by putting your phone number. As you can see, the currency has also changed. So by going down again, you will come here to your promo code where you will enter BOTV, which will help you to get 300% of bonus at your first deposit of account. Meaning that if you put an amount of $10, you will obtain $30. By then accepting the terms and conditions and putting all the rest of information here, and now by clicking on register so as to continue. So now, as everything is said, you will now enter so as to continue to place a bet through Nepal. So by analyzing the match or the other games that are possibly there, so you will, for example, take this match here, Paris Saint-Germain versus Brest. You will just enter or place your bet here among all these. So if I should click on win 2 for Paris Saint-Germain, you can see that this table or this small table will appear. Now, what will I do? Before going to bed, you will just come here on promo, where you can enter back your promo code BOTV, where, as I said earlier, it will help you to get 300% of bonus at your first deposit. Now you will just come here and click on the bet. Now put the amount of money that you wish to bet so as to now place your bet. When everything now will be set, you will just come back here on promo if you want and click now on bet so as to bet in Nepal with this promo code, and it is as simple as that.